Okay. We're gonna do $2 toy review.
Alright, so we got darts, slingshot.
You got kite.
We're gonna make a
we got
kite.
dice. I think we're gonna open the dice first. Let's see what I'm gonna get.
Roll 100.
We have to make sure we don't litter. We have to make sure we collect all the garbage. Hey, where do you want me to shoot it?
Over there. That one the opposite of over there.
Pretty far. You know, I really appreciate it if you stop yelling at me.
Nice.
I'm gonna sneeze. Have you seen that picture of that meme of this has a hair in it?
Why?
Alright, how do you what's the bag? Connect the pipes or the pipes to the connector. Nice and good kite.
Oh, it's Spider-Man.
Yeah. Do you know how to tie a knot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how this goes. You need wind.
Blow on it really hard.
Okay. Oh.
And he's gone.
Alright, I think it's not.
Alright, we're gonna shoot down that bottle right there. Ready?
Oh, you got it.